Yes, our last speaker is Mang Mul, the exception that I make. Yeah, he's called the uh, Knit Mang Mul, Knit Mul. So I can't wait until you see his presentation. Mang Mul, Mang Mul
Halo,
sudah
halo.
halo.
Hai. Halo,
Hai,
Mbak.
silakan.
Halo, Mbak. Okay, thank you for inviting me. Very pleasure to can share my experience in the art world. Okay. Thanks everyone for joining. Okay, I want to share uh, my screen. Hello, my name is Mulyana, and you can also call me Mang Mul. Mang Mul is my nickname. In Sundanese, Mang is uncle. So Sundanese is my tribe, and because I am from West Java. Since 2008, I have been using knitting techniques and creating mogus. This is mogus characters or monster gurita, which mean octopus monster. So you can see from the shape, it's many legs. Uh, the initial idea for my work came from community activities in the city of Bandung at the time. In Bandung City, we have a lot of communities that actually take an approach using craft in creative practice. So in the time during when I study in university and I also work in one of the uh, I work at Tobuchil, the small bookshop, but also is a creative like place in Bandung. Uh, okay, sorry. So okay, this so all this mogus is made uh, uh, I use all repurposed yarn from the factory. So the owner of Tobuchil give me like give me all this uh, yarn, and so I can practice, and I want to say thank you because uh, because of her kindness, I can like explore my what's my imagination. Okay. My first solo show exhibition took place in small exhibition space in the city of Bandung in 2009. At the time, I had not yet used crochet technique in my creative process. I'm still exploring the pom-pom techniques a lot in the process of creating my work. So the pom-pom technique itself is a technique of rolling thread until it forms a large ball according to the number of the threads rolled. So you can see is if you learn knitting, there is what's so if you learn knitting, you also what's I'm sorry. uh, there is a yarn ball, so I combine yarn ball and I like just join together become this this Mogus. So in 2012, I held my second solo exhibition entitled Mogus World, creating the work in this exhibition entirely using crochet technique. I see an interesting process in crocheting techniques. This one. Basically, the crochet shape that I make are not too big, but when these shapes are combined, they can produce massive work. Since then, I have used a modular approach in the creation of my work, a technique that allows me to assemble repeatedly from small modular parts. Until now, I have more than 300 modular shapes that can be developed into interesting works. Since then, I have continued to develop crocheting technique with modular pattern to create works. I realized that the process of creating the work that I do requires a lot of materials. In this case, we are talking about rolls of yarn that I use in creating artwork. So the important point that I emphasize in the process of creating artwork is how this process can be sustainable, because I felt that my creative process using yarn seemed to have an impact. So I decided to use leftover yarns from manufacturers as an effort to create sustainable work. So if you see from these pictures, I can say is 80% all from repurposed yarns. It came from so the material is from my hometown Bandung, because it's a manufacturing textile factory, and so I get leftover from there. So the work of so this work entitled She Remembered in 2018 become a creative process that had a big impact on my artistic creation process, because the collaboration process. That's why I feel that the process of creating artwork that I do can be collaborated with many parties. So, and also is the first time I collaborate with people. So it takes like 6 months, and 70 women helps me to do this big installation. So it's also my first time make like a big installation. So it's the detail you can see. So it's different color, and yeah, different color, because I just use what I get from the factory, from the yarn. Yeah. After the process, I have collaborated with Hermes, Studio Kala, Ria Miranda, and several fashion brands using the artwork approach that I work on. So I also making patterns. And also my artwork sometimes applied to these fabrics and become a cloth. After that process, I had this collaboration process also doesn't stop with fashion brand. I'm currently exploring the possibility of collaborating with digital media. In 2023, I collaborate with a new media arts institution in Hong Kong. This possibility is very feasible, considering that the development of the work that needs to be done doesn't just stop at the conventional medium that I have been using. Okay. So so we use like ER and VR, virtual reality, and people can see the work like moving, the work moving in this iPad. So I'm currently trying to develop new ideas that I will try to use for further future projects. The modular form that I developed doesn't stop at the coral form, which is closely related to the octopus monster character that I create. Furthermore, I see the possibility of developing a modular form of work that can be linked to other ideas or issues. To this day, I have carried out several experiments on modular construction that I have been developing for a long time. Several projects that I have developed, such as making monster in collaboration with several other activities, and the food monster project, which is my response to food culture in several countries. So if you see from this picture in the left side, I make a workshop with the community in the Makassar and use plastic and use what itu tuh?
Plastic bag.
Not plastic bag, apa? Rapia. It's a rope.
Plastic rope.
Yeah, plastic rope. It's plastic rope. So it's very uh playful. Yeah, I like to make a workshop with the people, and also it for the body you can see. Sometimes I don't use the what's a needle. I use only my finger to make it. Yeah, and also in the right side, if you see like a yellow yellow monster here, it's made from recycled yarns. So the characters I made called Asam dan Garam. Asam is the yellow ones, and Garam is the gray one. The gray one made from repurpose yarn. So this also I make a costume is a part of my solo show in New York, and also I make like a monochromes coral. So the idea came from when I like snorkeling in first time in Gili Island in Lombok, and when I see the ocean, when I see through the ocean, I don't see the beautiful color, only the like colorful coral, but I see like gray, like the sky, like it's look like polluted clouds. So I make the gray coral series. So this also a food monster is crocheting modular of many kind of food. So during pandemic, I have a chance to have residency in Korea, like 4 months before I enter before I entering the country. I have to quarantine. and so they give me like food, like bento food. So I create the so I create so I plating the bento food become a monster. And when I come to Indonesia, what's the picture or the monster I made from the real ones, uh, I transfer to I make with the crochet. So, and the other is gunungan. Is the so is I exploring is I exploring my work not only about the sea but also the food. So these my themes. I call Konchomogus mostly a woman, but I want to say thank you, yeah, for the people who always support me, and yeah, from the first time I moved to Jogja. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, I never I haven't tell that I'm from Bandung, but now my studio and I live in Yogyakarta. Yeah, so is uh whole my is my team now. Apart from developing ideas from creating artwork in 2022, I was to create a studio that can be used as incubation space. Yeah, this space can be used as a work presentation space, artist residency, and other creative activities. I deliberately, I'm sorry, so I developed the idea of creative space as a form of gratitude for what I have received so far until today. So my studio is a one of activities. So I make exhibition with for my friends from Bandung. Yeah. Okay. Uh, Thank you very much for the opportunity from the World Hub Forum. I'm very happy to be able to share this today. Hopefully, we can have an opportunity to collaborate further in the future. So, thank you. So, it's a summary of the work that of art I create over a period of 10 years. So, these pictures is exhibition in Korea. Yeah, during pandemic, they invite me to come to that country. So this, yeah. So and also this artwork is part of Biennale. Artwork for Biennale for Jogja Biennale in 2017. So actually, I have a what isu ya apa ya? I have like issue about the gender, about the yeah, about the gender, talking about the stereotype. So my work sometimes like I want tell about uh, my feel that to breaking stereotype, because like if you know, yeah, if bu like bu ibu like tell that Indonesian like people like know that crochet or knitting is like is woman activity. But what I think is not is is also can be main activity, main work, because in knitting or crocheting process you have to be patient, and there is a mathematic, like you have to calculate and make a pattern, and uh, yeah, you apa ya, I want to share, I want to breaking that stereotype. I don't want to also the pink is not also, but the a girl color is also all can apa ya, uh is not belong to one gender or one community. So this is diversity also show during pandemic in Esplanade Singapore, the diversity, because during that time people like didn't want to close each other. That's why I make this artwork diversity to remember that we are born to be together, work with the community, or like to trust each other. Okay, this one is one of my favorite artwork, called and the title is modular monster. So I make modular, like many modular, like eyes, horns, lips, everything, many kind of modular, and so people or can playing with it to make a their own monster. Yeah, it's a interactive interactive art. So yeah, okay. So it's the last. So in 2019, yeah, 19. In 2019, I collaborate with the Thai artists. So we make exhibition about the environmental issues. So I use we use the steel, like waste steel, to make this statues. This is huge. Yeah, apa sih huge? Yeah, the whale. Yeah, the whale. I'm sorry, I'm so nervous. But I hope you can understand what I speak. Sometimes, yeah, thank you very much. Mana? Okay.
We do understand very good what you mean.
Thank you.
And your work also.
I'm so nervous. Yeah.
Don't be nervous.
Yeah.
Your work
Okay.
talking very clear.
Okay. But I feel that art always be my best friend, my good friend, because I always putting hope and make it come true. Like always put my dream, and also always like accompany me everywhere, so I can create like everywhere, every times, like yeah.
Well, it's
Yeah.
working very well.
Okay, thank you so much.
We really understand everything, and I'm so thrilled about this whole forum, Lini, because there's monsters everywhere and there's hope everywhere.
Yes,
And
yes.
it's a concern about the planet everywhere in whatever category we are. It's overwhelming. It's
Thank
very
you.
powerful.
And it
Yeah.
also shows that joy is the ingredient for making hope. It's like the juice that is fueling all of this. So definitely joy is, I think, the big message today. Lenny,
True.
Lenny, did you have any last words before we close up?
No, I hope this forum, thank you for all the speakers, it's so inspiring. Thank you, Lee and Philip, again, to give this opportunity
Yes.
to showcase Indonesian talents. And I hope this will inspire really the young generation to do something, to find a direction. So thank you everybody for being here also. Back to you, Philip and Lee.
Many beautiful comments already. So be sure, all speakers, that your message has been heard around the planet, and it will be online forever. So it will become a testimony to your country and your endeavors and your amazing vision for the future of your country, which is very inspiring, I think, for all of us. You seem to be very advanced compared to other countries. It's admirable. And I didn't know, I think we all were ignorant about the progress of this country. Thank you so much for getting all this together.
Yes, thank you, Lenny.
Lily,
Thank
it's
you,
wonderful.
Philip. Thank you, Lee.
Thank you to all the speakers. Thank you.
You're off to Venice, so wish you all the
Yeah.
best. Philip and Lee are in Milan, and now they are about to leave for Venice. Good luck in Venice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Everybody
Thank you,
for being.
everybody.
See you soon.
Do you
See
need
you.
to say
Thank you
something?
so much, everyone.
Thank
Thank you.
you. Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.